Okay, so the following video is my largest win ever recorded on my live day trading account. I do want to preface the rest of it with this understanding though. I took way too much risk and I broke a lot of rules in this trade. If you want to watch me day trade the open live for free on YouTube every weekday morning, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enjoy this video. Okay guys, so like I said in the intro to this video, this was my largest win to date and it was on LEN, which is Lennar. I had traded this one a few times prior to this trade and had some solid scalps and had a little bit of gross profits built up, and so I decided to take a much larger swing. And the reason I decided to kind of go big with this trade, even if I disagree with it now, at the time I was having some struggles breaking over the $400 to $500 profit level in this account. I had been kind of stagnant there, made some profits in this account, but was kind of break even for the last few weeks. And I think part of that was because of the sizing I was using, and so I got a little stubborn and took much larger size than I typically do. But yeah, if you look at my face during this trade, I was pretty stressed out. It's very self-evident how stressed I am because again, I was just taking much larger sizing than I generally do. It ended up working out, but again, I did have to kind of refine and tweak my rules a little bit after this trade just to protect my account some. I started to scale into this one with a few thousand shares, eventually getting up to 4,200 shares at my peak of scaling into this trade. Now, like I said, I think I did some things wrong in this trade, specifically took a little bit of unnecessary risk, because if this one would have gone against me, it would have been a much larger loss. Now, this one didn't actually go against me though, it worked out fairly well. If you look at the chart specifically here, this is what I call a VWAP fake out fade. And the basic premise is that when you consider that the VWAP is an intraday trend indicator, when a stock gets rejected hard and very self-evident underneath the VWAP level, a lot of traders are covering their long positions and jumping in short. Because again, it's an intraday trend indicator. And so other people see that weakness and they start piling into these type of trades. That's why you can look at LEN here and see when it broke underneath the VWAP, it had a pretty strong flush down to that prior support level. That's what I took advantage of with this trade, and you can see I quickly scaled out taking my profits. You can see here I made $757 on a single trade with this one, and like I said before, it's definitely my largest win to date. But again, I took way too much risk and I definitely broke some rules, and I need to avoid doing that in the future. But always guys, I'm not an investment professional, I'm not an expert or a guru or anything like that. I'm just a trader letting you guys watch me trade and teaching you all what I learn along the way as I grow and progress in my trading career. And so if you want to watch us day trade live on stream right here on YouTube, click the subscribe button. We go live every single weekday morning for free and attack the open, breaking down the strategies we use plus more. And so again, hit the subscribe button, click the bell, click the like button if you want to help support this channel, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning for our streams. Thanks for watching guys.